Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 26, 2019. Well, we have a nice onshore flow continuing on throughout the region, and that's transporting a nice marine air mass from the Atlantic Ocean right into the region, with temperatures ranging from the mid-40s to lower 50s over the far northern interior, mid-50s to lower 60s over the rest of the region, with a nice east-northeasterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour, pushing up to about 10 to 15 miles per hour as you head over the immediate coast and on the coastal waters. It's going to be one of those days where the closer you are to the coast, the more influence you'll have from the Atlantic Ocean. And those winds are going to be picking up at times to around 10 to 20 miles per hour right on the immediate coast, so definitely be prepared for that. Also, there is a small craft advisory out for some of the boats out here, so definitely be aware of that with enhanced wave heights. And that also means with the onshore flow, there will be a threat for some coastal flooding. So we already saw that in parts of New Jersey already. I saw some pictures of some of that water pushing into some of the roadways. So definitely that threat is going to remain in place for today. Take a look at the latest surface map. You can see the overall theme here. High pressure to the north, low pressure festering to the south, and the difference between the two is what you call a pressure gradient, and that pressure gradient is supporting a stiff easterly wind right into the coastal plain, and that's going to remain in place through at least Wednesday morning before this strong cold front here marches on through widespread showers by the time we get to the afternoon hours. When we take a look at the satellite picture, you can see those low clouds from the Atlantic pushing in and some mid-level clouds coming in from the west via our cold front approaching. So you can kind of see the difference in the wind patterns here between the upper level wind pattern and the low level wind pattern, which is pretty cool to see, but you see even better with the visible satellite picture later on this afternoon. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, sky cloud cover, can't rule out an isolated shower on the immediate coast, highs in the lower to mid 70s. For tonight, look for sky cloud cover. Easterly wind continues. Can't rule out an isolated shower. Lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s. A few lower to mid 50s as you head towards the northern interior. For tomorrow afternoon, look for sky cloud cover. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower. Highs in the lower to mid 70s. Upper 70s as you head down towards the Philadelphia metro. And on Wednesday, a cold front will approach the region. Now again, you have the winds coming in from the Atlantic, supporting low-level moisture coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. We'll have to watch this little tropical, subtropical low that's going to be hanging out here off the southeast and mid-Atlantic coast. It will remain out in the Atlantic, but it could enhance some of that moisture transport coming in from the Atlantic. And also we have a cold front coming in from the west, which is going to be lifting all this moisture. So that means widespread showers, and some of those showers will be capable of some very heavy downpours. Temperatures will rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s as you head towards the Philadelphia metro and the Delaware River Valley. Maybe a few lower 90s are possible around the Philadelphia metro if we get enough scattered sunshine before the rainfall comes in. I'm a little bit questionable of that, but definitely think we will see showers and temperatures in the upper 80s. On Thursday, all that clears out. Cold front clears the coast, sky cloud cover by the afternoon, with a nice northwesterly wind coming off the Appalachian Mountains. That's going to keep our temperatures warm. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. On Friday, high pressure and complete control with sky cloud cover. Lows in the mid 50s to lower 60s, highs in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid to upper 80s over the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, high pressure remains in place with sky cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the mid to upper 80s. And then we're going to have to watch this cold front very carefully. The overall idea for Sunday and Monday is this. This cold front, although it's depicted out here, I think it's going to be more closer to the coast, much like what we saw with previous cold fronts. So it's going to be slower to push off the region, and we're going to have this high pressure system sitting here in the St. Lawrence River Valley. So you're going to have this, what we call a nice thermal gradient setting in. So you got a thermal gradient, you got moisture, and you got a frontal boundary. And that means periods of showers for Sunday and Monday. So Friday and Saturday will be perfect weather if you want to go out and celebrate and just enjoy the long weekend, with temperatures on Saturday ranging from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid to upper 80s for highs. Sunday and Monday, because of the period of showers, look for lows in the lower to mid-60s and highs in the lower to mid-70s, and just kind of a wet period out there. So what I would suggest is that if you have outdoor plans, to hold them on Saturday, not so much on Sunday and Monday. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.